Hey! I got some mail, and I'm really excited about it. I already opened it because I don't have self-control, but what is in this box? Let me tell you. It is a dress by Metamorphose, and I've been looking at it for a really long time because it's super, super, super cute. And generally, I'd seen it used a few times, and I actually got cheaper than the used price, brand new, because it went on sale. So let's look at it and pretend like I'm opening it for the first time, which I am not, because impulse control. I just ripped it open the second I got it because I didn't want to get dressed up. But are you ready to see the cutest thing in the world? I got Marine Bear and is so cute. So it is a print with these little sailor bears, and they actually look a lot like Duffy, one of the mascots of Disney. Reminded me of him. I'm gonna have to make this guy a little sailor costume to go with, because I'm that level of tacky. It's gonna be really, really cute. Yes. Yeah, I really like this print. I'm pretty sure it's the only print with seagulls. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. But there are, I'll do some up-close photos. And then they always send you the shopping bags too, which I know a lot of the Lolitas collect. I really like the middle bow. I'm excited about it. You can turn it around. It could be a back bow. It can be any bow you want. And that is, yeah. So let's look at that up close. See, it is fully shirred. So if you are a human with more of a chest too, I'm pretty sure this will fit really well. Meta is really good about inclusive sizing. Another reason I am so obsessed with them. But yeah, it's super cute. I'm really in love with it. We're gonna get married next week, so if you want to come to me and my dress's wedding, just call me. Send me a DM. You're invited. Everyone is invited. Look at this fucker. Jesus.